I told you yesterday that we'll be going to Lal Bagh. We went to Lal Bagh. I rated Lal Bagh and I've posted it on my blog. To tell you one thing, Bangalore was previously known as Garden City, so there has to be gardens everywhere. I'm not into garden that much, but I just want to explore this place. What I have found on internet about Cubbon Park is that it's a very good place to go for a morning jog or even for an evening walk. It's in the center of the city. So अगर आपको थोड़ी peace चाहिए हो तो you can go to Cubbon Park, have a good walk there. There are certain exotic trees which are there in parks. I'm not into parks. Yes, that's what I found on net. And what I can say is it's very near to Vidhan Sabha. It's very near to High Court. It's very near to recently opened the very posh mall UB City. So if you're anywhere near to UBCD, you can of course go to Cubbon Park and find out what all is there. What I can say is there are several monuments which are located in Cubbon Park. For example, there's Memorial Hall, there's Toy Train, there's a museum. So I don't think Toy Train and museum is for me because it's basically for children. It's a children's museum. It's a toy train. So आपके छोटे छोटे बच्चे हो तो आप ले जा सकते हो उन्हें. We'll be going there. I'll be reading it when I come back. Hi, I'm here at Cubbon Park and I think it's the most disappointing park I've ever been. It's boring. There's literally nothing to see here. I really don't know why the guidebooks have the Cubbon Park in their book. And the only thing that's worth looking at is the High Court of Karnataka, which is right opposite to the Cubbon Park. And I think that's the only place you can come and just see the High Court of Karnataka. That's it. There's nothing more to it. You all must have seen my reaction to Cubbon Park. I didn't find it really nice. मेरे को बहुत ही ज़्यादा boring चाहिए लगी वो. मैं वहाँ गई. I was expecting कि चलो लाल बाग की तरह होगी, but it was very unorganized. वहाँ पे लोग ऐसे लेटे पड़े थे ज़मीन पे पेड़ों के नीचे. बहुत ही I don't know. I found that part very बकवास, very boring as you call it. मेरे को नहीं कहना चाहिए ऐसा because it's one of the tourist attractions, but that is what I found. I don't know why the guidebooks and the internet says that it's a very beautiful park, and even it says that once you are coming to Bangalore, you should actually give it a visit because it's in the middle of the city. I agree कि it is in the middle of the city. MG Road के पास है, आप जा सकते हो, but I don't think it's actually worth it. So I'll be telling you the advantage. Advantage to this park is, since it's very near to High Court of Karnataka, Vidhan Sabha, and UBC. So if at all you are coming to UBC to do some kind of shopping in the time pass, तो आप यहाँ पे आ सकते हो देखने के लिए कि कैसी जगह है. And if you are coming with kids, there's a toy train, then there's a museum, so you can come with the kids as well. Then डिसएडवांटेज मैंने आपको बहुत सारे डिसएडवांटेज बता दिए. इस पार्क में लिटरली कुछ भी नहीं है देखने के लिए. आप इस पार्क पे आओगे, आपको सामने हाई कोर्ट ऑफ कर्नाटका दिखेगा. एंड हाई कोर्ट ऑफ कर्नाटका इज अ very beautiful red building, तो वो आपको अच्छी जगह लगेगी. Then you can see the architecture of Vidhan Sabha, which is also quite impressive. When you cross the road, you'll get Vidhan Sabha. You can't actually go inside the Vidhan Sabha, but you can actually see the building. So building is really impressive. So what do you think I should rate it as? I think I should give it a, I don't know, I shouldn't give it a 5 or I should give it a 7 as I've been giving. I should give it a 10. It doesn't deserve it. मेरे को इसे तो देने चाहिए. इससे ज़्यादा it's not actually deserving it. उससे ज़्यादा मेरे को देने नहीं चाहिए. It should be a 2 on 10.